come and kill me because I cannot be presiding over dead people. This is enough.
Early Tuesday's attacks stirring up grave emotions. But beyond these emotions, panic is the operational word amongst thousands of internally displaced whose security is threatened yet again.
Hi, that thing causes a lot of problem here. For I myself that I am standing here, now inside slim, that I climb with my children because there are no way and full of fears because as that thing, that Fulani issue pursue us from house up to today, I did not hear the shot of gun. So as I hear the shot of gun, I am fear.
Sadly, fear has made them vacate the camp, but the question is to where. They return back in the daytime when they feel it's safer.
Before chairman called the SEMA, before they bring security, people have gone because what have happened yesterday, we have seen it for our eyes. So the thing cause of lot of people have gone stranded, some they are inside towns, moving around, some don't even know where they will stand.
We are appealing to the federal government, especially our present president, Buhari, to please assist us to send security in this IDP camp. If not, we have suffered to our place and we are thinking that this is our resting place. And when we came here also, our grandmother, our old ones are suffering, running in the bush now.
Displaced from their ancestral homes well over 3 years ago, insecurity has left them with no alternative than to seek refuge in this shelter. But that sense of security has again been threatened.